This conference will now be recorded.
Hello, good morning, everyone. Okay, today we'll see about how to do digital painting. Take one new document. See, if you see, this image is not looking good, but using digital paint we can make it better. When you have low quality image, when you are converting to digital paint, automatically it look good. For that, below eraser tool will be seeing a tool name called blur tool. Blur tool will make blurry. So after taking blur tool, increase the strength value, and you see little bit blur it will make. It won't make much difference. So if you want to make more blur means don't use these tools, and we have blur option in the filter menu. In the filter menu we have different types of blur. We can use any blur in this, and we can select particular area and you can use this blur option. But actually in this I'm going to see which tool is smudge tool. Take smudge tool. Actually, smudge tool will actually collapse the image like this. So if you want to resize the image, go to image size. You can check your image size and resolution. So when you are using smudge tool, your system will get slow. Increase or decrease the brush size, and using smudge tool you can collapse the image like this. Okay, but here also will be having different types of brushes. You take any brush you like. I'll take this brush, and I want to give like paint effect. So I'll zoom in, and if there is not much details, go to image adjustment. In image adjustment already we seen color balance option. Okay, this everything is just apply and adjusting only. Today I'm going to use shadow and highlights, and that just adjust the details till you get. And now you do it, and slowly you do it. Click and hold. You have to click and hold the mouse when you're using smudge tool. Don't touch inside the eyes. Little bit I'll increase the brush size. When you want to give brush effect and all, just move wherever you want. It look like oil paint. But the best way is always choose high quality images. When you're working on hairs, you have to be careful. So on the hair direction only, you have to move the mouse. So one side I've done. Like that for other side also, you have to do it slowly. And you can reduce the tolerance value if the brush size is too much, the power, and reduce the brush size. Now you can select only this image. Right click, make selection. Feather I'll give around 5. Go to internet, type as paint background. Copy image and paste that image in Photoshop. Hold shift key and adjust. And arrange it in the behind. And press Ctrl T and reduce the size. Not this one. Press Ctrl T and reduce the size. And take eraser tool. The edges you erase it properly. So you have to use soft edge eraser. So I want only this much, means you can do crop. Take crop tool and just how much you want, only that much you can crop it and give enter and take go back to move tool. So the color is not matching, so select the image, go for image adjustment, color balance. So little bit I'll add pink in this image. And give OK. So based on your background only, you have to choose everything. So once again I'll duplicate the background. I'll bring it to the front. I'll apply soft light. And you can do mirror also. Control T, right click, flip horizontal, and you can move it wherever you like. And this edges and all you can erase, so you can't see the difference. So like this, you can convert low quality image into kind of high quality image. So it look like paint. So smudge tool. If you take a high quality image, it will come even more better. And take smudge tool. And now if you see, so you can choose always different types of brushes and check. So which one you feeling comfortable, that one you can use. We have different types of brushes. And always be careful when you're working on edges. It won't look good. So when you want to do digital painting, at least it will take 2 hours because you have to do it slowly. So like this, you can make it. Okay. When you have image, if you want to make it brighter or darker, example. Right click on the image, copy image, and Control V, Control T, and do maximize. Enter. So the face is blurry. We'll go for little high quality images. Yeah. So we have this kind of photo. So I want to make it little bit brighter means take next to smudge tool, we have tool name called dodge tool. After taking dodge tool, we can increase or decrease the brush size. By going here also you can increase or decrease. And dodge tool will make more brighter. Just click on like painting you do, which part you want to make it brighter. So I'll do for comparison, I'll duplicate. So example, after taking dodge tool, but don't do too much, it won't look good. See, Once you clicked on the mouse means continuously you do. And see, before, after. So like this also you can do. So that is dash tool. And we have one more tool name. If you long press on the dash tool, we have tool name called burn tool. Burn tool will make it darker. So when you want to give shade effect and all, you can use burn tool. So like this you can give by using burn tool. So this one has burn tool. If you keep on do, it won't look good. I'll do undo. And in that one more tool is called sponge tool. So this is little bit interesting tool. Okay. After taking sponge tool, here you'll be seeing in the property bar, you'll be seeing two desaturate means like converting to black and white. Whatever color we have, it will convert to black and white. So just to keep on do. So like this you can convert to black and white. So half thing black and like half thing black and white, half thing is colored. So like this you can make. No sir, I want to convert a full image to black and white means just to select the image. That particular layer you have to select. Go to image, adjustment, black and white. So just select that option. Automatically it will convert to black and white. Image adjustment. We have option called black and white. Just one click on that. You can convert to black and white. And you can adjust the values how much you want, how much. So I selected this layer. Select this layer. And the value you can adjust and check which one you want to make. Suppose in this images more blue is there, and black color is there. So if I increase the blue value, I'm going to make it more darker or lighter. And yellow also is there little bit. That also can either make it darker or brighter. So black and white also you can convert. So already we seen how to convert color to black. Now, now so I'll delete all the layers. I'll create one new document. Already we seen on this tool like healing brush tool. Healing brush tool, what will happen? You have to hold alt click, and like that you can paint it here also. So that is healing brush. So already we seen this tool for removing pimples, but you can use for this kind of work also. But if you see, it won't look that much good. To solve this problem only, we have clone tool. Take clone tool, and same thing. You have to hold alt key and just click the source point, and where you want that, just paint it. So like this I painted here. Suppose if you want like this kind of thing, alt click, and for this you can't use. See, if you don't want to see the boat, just increase the brush size as you like. So first only you have to click on Alt, then like this you can paint it here. Or if you want like this here also, you can make it. So clone tool, it's nothing but, suppose if you want like this here also, you can make it. Example, Alt click on the sun. So one more sun you can make it here. Okay. So that one you can choose what type of brushes you want. See, you can choose like leaf also. So in clone also you can do lot of things. And suppose when you have this kind of fat man, if you want to reduce the size of the fat man, you can make it. Go to filter menu. Already we seen liquify yesterday. Okay. So liquify, what it will do after selecting this forward wrap, so we can just collapse like this. So that is liquify. But after taking this, increase the brush size, and slowly if you do, you can slowly how to do, and take this blot tool or pocket tool. Pocket tool will make smaller, and blot will make more bigger. Okay. So we can make anyone fat also and anyone thin also. We can do undo and redo. Take a tool, I'll make it more small by square brackets, and you can use forward warp tool to adjust properly. So once it's over means just give OK. Give OK, and you can just compare before, after. So if you take this image also, you can make it fat. Copy image and Control V, press Control T. And same go to filter menu, liquify. So in the top liquify, if you apply, this one was recently used options were here. So that one directly it will apply, but you have to go for this liquify option and increase the brush size. Suppose if you want to make it fat, you can make it fat of this man. But when you want to make this kind of images and all, you have to again reduce the brush size. So slowly you have to do and give OK. So before, after. So I can make a person thin also, fat also by using liquify options. And we can create funny images also by using liquify options. So I can, after selecting the image, go to filter menu, liquify option, and you can take this poker tool. So you can create some funny images like this. Or some cartoon images. Just increase or decrease the brush size. See, brush size you can mention here. So like this also you can make it. So lots of things you can do with liquify options. So always remember filter menu. So in filter menu, the options are all fixed. Just clicking. So it's very easy options in the filter menu. So if you go to filter gallery, in the filter menu, in that I'm going to filter gallery. See these options, everything is just you have to click and apply. So example, if you want to give sketch effect and all, just so like this you can apply. So we have the options over here also or here also. And we can increase this value and check darkness value and light value. You can give like glowing edges, edge brightness you can increase, edge width you can increase or decrease, smoothness. So this are all just click and apply and check. So lots of options is there. If you want to give like mosaic, like noise, so lots of things are there. And just you can increase the tile size as a requirement and you can check. So in this which you like, that one you can use. So for these options, you have to go to filter menu. In that, filter gallery. And for oil paint effect, directly you can go to this. We have oil paint. This also will give like paint effect. I'll zoom into this. And reduce the values here, like scaling value and cleanness, angular direction. So this is based on your image quality you have to give. And suppose so for this kind of images and all, it'll look good. Go to filter menu, oil paint. Zoom them and reduce the sign value. So this will exactly look like painting. That paint brush size you can increase or decrease it. And cleanness till you get, you can adjust. And Bristol details also you can adjust. And angular. And then give OK. So if you zoom into check, and it look like paint. See, Control Z, before, after. So this kind of paint effect we can give by going to oil paint. But in this problem is including the teeth and all will get affected. So do you have any question in this filter gallery? In filter menu, whatever it is there, just you have to click and adjust the values. That's it.
Hello, good morning everyone. This is Yusuf from NICT. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, actually, I got the feedback from your principal that you are not able to follow some topics. I don't know what is the problem you are facing. So you can chat, okay? You can chat that some topics you didn't understand or you're finding some difficulties. Can I know what are the difficulties you're finding?
Sir, it's not like we're not understanding. It's just like if we do it practically, it will be more easier us to understand. So we told them.
So you will be receiving a practical, okay? You will be doing a practical once your college reopens, okay? Until that, make notes of everything, whatever the sir is telling. Please do make notes of it. The same thing you will be doing a practical once your college reopens. Leaving that any other difficulties? Hello? Pooja, if you tried to say something, but the voice is not so
Okay.
clear.
Yes, sir.
Any other difficulties? You can let me know. Okay. Anyone else? Any other issues? Nothing? Okay, thank you. You can continue.
Yeah. Thank you. So that's it. So almost every tools is over. So other than that, this is hand tool. If you click on the hand tool and just you can move the workspace wherever you want. And this is zoom in, zoom out tool. And we can take that zoom plus symbol and minus symbol is there here in the top. Zoom out and zoom in. But instead of this, you can use Alt plus scroll button or Control plus and minus. You can use for zoom in, zoom out. And if you want to make any shapes, we have shape tools here, rectangular shape. So, but when you're making rectangular shape, automatically it'll create one new layer. Okay. And other than that, elliptical tool. So this and all by default, some shapes are there, some polygon, and you can increase the polygon size by here. And now you draw polygon shapes. If it is required only, you can use these shapes. So, and if you want to just make a line also, you can make. And always you can change the color and and here you can give the stroke color also after making a rectangular shape. Not marquee tool and this rectangular shape is same. This is totally different. This is totally different. After taking the rectangular shape, make it, and you can give stroke color also, and you can increase the stroke values like this. Always remember that once you use any tool, always see the property bar, what and all option is there. Property bar is more important, and make sure that which layer you are selected. So always you have to see three things. One is layer, and which tool you are selected, and property bar. These three things, if you see properly, you can do easily. And if you want any other shapes apart from this, you can go for custom shapes, and after clicking on the custom shapes in the property bar, if you see shape, and you can click on this, you'll get lot of custom shapes. You can use these shapes also. Just nothing, click and drag. And always you can apply colors to this. So like this you can make it. And if you want to create GIF images and all, you can create using Photoshop also. If I want to create GIF image, example, go to window menu. There will be option called timeline. In the window menu, you have to enable timeline. After enabling timeline, go to create frame animation. Not video timeline, create frame animation. You select by clicking on this arrow symbol, create frame animation, and create frame animation. That's it. Just you click on that, it will create one frame here. It layer will be in this side, frame will be in this side. Okay, and this only you duplicate by clicking on this icon. You can duplicate selected frame. So whatever frame you selected, that only you can duplicate. And in the second frame, you just type any text. You can type good morning, good night, or happy birthday, whatever you want. After take move tool, select this text layer, press Ctrl T and do maximize and give enter. And once again I'll take text tool. And we can increase the font size. Ctrl T after taking move tool. Yes. And these two will be always in different layers. Example, I'm in the second frame. Don't bother about this. Just you type it. I'm in the second frame. In the second frame, you select the text layer, and example, I selected birthday. You move it outside. Then I'll select this happy, and that also you move it outside. And if you play, it's coming and going. And this one you arrange it this side now. So in this frame, the text is not there. In this frame, the text is there. In one frame, the text is not there. In the one frame, text is there. Now increase the frame levels by going to not this one, this one. Twin. If you just move on this twins animation frames and give animation frame around, give around 15. So automatically it will create 15 animation frames and just plane off, and you can feel like it is coming from side. So I'll do all Control Z. In the first frame, if you want to, the RP text has to be in this side, and now you play and increase the frame levels. See, now you play and check. Okay, still it is not moved. Select a happy, move that this side. Now select the second frame, increase the frames and play that. So but till the happy is not coming means because this is still, it is outside of the frame. So in the second frame, what you have to do, that one you have to bring it here. So in first frame it is out of the frame, in the second frame it is here. Now select the second frame and increase the frame level, and now you play. So if you want to make more slow, you have to increase more frames. When you're clicking on this twin frame animation, you have to give around 30, then give OK. Then if you play, it will come slowly. We can create any kind of design using this. And finally, once it is done, go to file menu, not save as or save for web you have to give. Save for web. We can and wait for it. It's loading, and once it's When you're doing GIF image, reduce the image quality. If it is more, means it will take more time. I'll give around 1000 and give OK. And go to file, save for web. And after here, you choose as GIF image, not JPG. GIF you have to choose. And looping option is there. No, once is there, you give forever. Once it's over, also it will keep on repeat. So forever, and that's it. Only you have to make sure that GIF image and forever. And this option, after making the edit of this, which is increasing the frame level, go to file menu. There, save for web. In that save for web, make it forever and give save. And where you want to save it, and that's it. Go to desktop. So this document is, it is GIF file, and just to open that. So like this, you can create GIF image. So that's it. So almost Photoshop is over. And if you have any doubt, by practice only you'll get doubts. Okay. So that's it for Photoshop. And next module we will start with CorelDRAW. And try to install the software because it is there in internet. You can download 1 month trial pack is there, and you can practice in that. Anyone has any questions? So then, thank you everyone. I'm going to end up the class.